Hi, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you're having a great day like always. In today's video, I'm going to be covering AMC stock for April 12th and moving forward. Going to give you the low and the highs like always by analyzing the graph. Now, a quick disclaimer before I begin. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. And everything I do share with you is just my opinion. It is not advice. So please do not buy or sell based off the information I give you or the opinions I do form. Okay, so looking at the graph right now, there's a couple of things that we have to go through. So we closed at 9:42, April 9th trading day. All that stuff wasn't that great. Have a downward trend resistance line right here that dates back since March 18th. The unfortunate part is we can't be concerned with that right now. We have to be concerned with this downward trend resistance line right here that dates back since April 5th. The thing is though, we're below all the moving averages. MACD line is in the negative. This is the 1 month chart, by the way, logarithmic view. And unless we break to the upside, we might still continue to downside. Well, obviously, if we don't break up to the upside, we'll continue to downside. But we might be hugging this downward trend resistance line. And if we do, we could be seeing the look like essentially $9 or break the $9 by the end of the trading day of April 12th, tomorrow trading day. So if that's the case, that's not great, obviously. And if, like I mentioned in the past video, breaking 950, 947, 944, those were support levels, but 927 was a horizontal support level where if it breaks, it'll start going down to the 899, 895 price point, which we did break it, 824. It's not a guarantee would continue down, but there's a chance we could continue down. Hopefully not, but if it does, then you'd be going down to, again, $9 price point, horizontal support level right here. And then this one, I could see where hopefully it bounces off this. So this is what I'm banking on. I hope it bounces off the 888 price point. So pretty much $8.80 price point range, 876 potentially. So hopefully it bounces up. If it doesn't bounce off the 880 range, like I mentioned, 888 or maybe 876, then there are more support levels all the way down. But I could see it going down to potentially the $8 price point, the low $8 price points, to potentially maybe 760, 750 price point. I'll elaborate more. Hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully it goes up to the upside. Now the thing is though, to keep in mind, this is just my opinion, but this 880 price point range that I mentioned, the horizontal support level at 888, 880, 876, if it doesn't break it, from what I'm saying is it could be a good foundation where it could start reversing to the upside and creating good support levels to the upside. It will meet turbulence though, like for example, the moving averages, the downward trend resistance line, which I'm going to cover the upside soon, but it would be a good foundation to reverse the upside and actually creating good support levels from what I see. The only thing is though, if it does break that level, the horizontal level as support, then it wouldn't be a major drop. Hopefully not. Nobody knows for sure, but it could start, I could start seeing it slowly bleeding down to the low eights, potentially maybe 760, 750 price point. That's the thing. I'll elaborate more in a future video, but hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully it reverses to the upside at one of these support levels. Now, if it reverses to the upside, I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow on April 12th, but it could reverse on the next trading days once it breaks down this downward trend resistance line. And if that's the case, you're looking at resistance to pass at $9.50, because we're below it right now. Then $9.78, then between $10 to $10 and $10.12. Now I got to cover this moving average right here. So you're going to meet $9.70, which coincides with the horizontal resistance level. Then you're going to meet resistance at $10.03, which coincides between the $10 and $10.12 resistance level. And then you're going to meet $10.13. It's like pretty much lining up perfectly. That's crazy. Okay, so $10.13 as well. So overall, these are going to be pretty difficult to pass. Now, I'm going to cover this downward trend resistance line, but pretty much hover around it. So 1053, if you're going to do it quickly on April 12th, that's going to be major resistance level right there. It's not exact. I probably should have covered exact, like zoom in and all that stuff, but around that ballpark, just keep in mind, around 1053. And as you take longer, the lower the high will be. So it'll be quite difficult. Like for example, if you try to pass it on April 13th by the end of the day, passing $10 is going to be quite difficult. So keep that in mind. Those are the price points. I don't see us going past, let's see. So 1026 is resistance. then 1043, then to 1055, which coincides with this downward trend resistance line. So passing 1055, that would be a good sign, but I don't see that happening anytime soon right now, but I'll keep you guys posted as we go further. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did like it, consider dropping a like. It does help out the channel. And if you do like this video or other stock videos or other financial videos that I will post, consider subscribing so you can be notified when I do upload those videos. And comment down below if you have any questions. Do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.